Hey everyone, and welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we are going to show you how to put an image in a shape here in Canva. So let's begin. Now, the first thing that you need to do is to log in using your credentials. If this is your first time in Canva, I want you to click the sign up option. And from here, just follow the on-screen instructions and you're good to go. In Canva, you can easily place an image inside a variety of shapes, such as circles, triangles, hearts, and more, and also by using other techniques, or by manually masking images with elements. Once you are logged into your account, I want you to click the project or design that you're working. If you haven't already, just go to the template section. You can choose from a business, social media, education, video, marketing, and print products. If you want to start from scratch, just click the create a design. Now, I'm working with this specific design and I'm going to the element section. I'm going to go to the shapes. All right, so these are the shapes. Obviously, we can choose from any of these. For example, I'm going to be choosing circle. Oh no, or square, a circle, maybe a little bit of. Let's start with this one right here. Two of them. But the technique is the same, all right? Or the approach. You can actually change the color of these. For example, I'm going to be choosing maybe like that resembles our brand, all right? For this one right here, I'm going to choose that color, all right? We can add some border if you want. There you go. So kind of like giving it like a dynamic. We can add a background if you want. So for this, we're going to choose this one right here. Now, similarly, we can put an image here in a shape. What I'm going to do instead is going to go to the upload button. Going to put this image here to these shapes. First one is this one right here. And the second, I'm going to copy this one, put it here, right? And of course, after that, literally, you can adjust the transparency so they kind of like blend well if you wanted, right? So it's not too intense or harsh. That's one way. Another option is I'm going to click on add a page, go into the element section. This time, we're going to use the frames technique, right? Click on frames. I'm going to choose similar options earlier. I'm going to choose a square and a circle, right? Going to choose the same background as well. So that. Now this time I'm going to go again to the upload section. I'm going to drag this photo right here and this one right here. So basically that's how you put an image in a shape. You put the image here on a circle and a square. So these are some of the options. Once you are happy with it, you might want to click on the play button, right? To see if the images or the elements blends perfectly well. Because as you can see, instead of using the standard image format, placing an image inside a shape adds a unique and eye-catching element to your design, right? Making it stand out. And of course, from there, all I'm going to do is, if you want to download this as an MP4, you're welcome to do that. And if you want to share this to your client, you're also welcome to do it. And that's it for today's video. Thank you so much for watching. We will see you again in the next video.